Hey guys, in my previous videos, I removed the gear shift knob and painted it, and it looked practically new. After that, I removed the steering wheel and also repainted that. That one turned out really nice as well. So after that, I removed the center console trims and painted that silver, and that one also turned out really good. So this time, I'm gonna remove the window switches and paint them as well. Okay, this is the front window switch. I got my fingernail right underneath here. Okay, so I got it popped up. Okay. So you want to get this side lifted up first and then slide it down a little bit. And then you got 3 connectors to remove. Instead of disconnecting wires, I'm just gonna take it off from the 4 side tabs. See what I'm doing? I'm getting a small screwdriver in there, twisting it to lift up the tab, then using another screwdriver above it to kind of force it out. And this one popped back in, so I'm gonna do it again. Okay, so this side is out. I gotta do the same on the other side. Okay, so you got basically 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. I wedge this underneath, twist it to get this lifted up, and I use this other screwdriver. I rotate it just to lift it up and out of the place. Okay, so objective is, you see these worn out spots, and I don't like this black on black, so I'm gonna actually paint this black area here to the silver color that matches my console panel. So only thing I have to do is this one right here. See the tab? I'm gonna push it in with one hand, hold it there while I twist it out. Okay, all right, so I got my finger down here, and so it's lifted up. Ooh, this one doesn't want to come out easily as the other one. Okay, I'm gonna push this tab here. I'm pushing it with my finger. I like my screwdriver rotation trick. You just rotate it. Okay, so that's out. Actually, I'm gonna have to pop it out of there as well, because I don't want to paint the so I'm gonna get the small screwdriver in there, rotate that while I pop this out. Okay, so this side is out. Same thing on this side. I'm gonna rotate my screwdriver. There we go. Okay, got my best handy tool, which is my fingernail. I'm going into a crack here. Okay, I got it started. And every time it sounds like I'm breaking something, but that's how it's gonna pop out. All right, so just gonna rotate this, and that's how it came out. Rotate this, and that came out. Ah, my fingernails. Wow, I swear, it sounds like I'm breaking something. Okay, so this side is out. That's out. That's out. Leave that alone. Here we are. So all of that took 5 minutes. Okay, so here are the 4 panels. These 2 were the front left, front right, rear left, rear right. So I think you guys seen in my other videos, my favorite 91% alcohol. I'm gonna use that, and cotton pads, and maybe the Q-tips will come handy. So I'm only gonna paint the areas that you see that are black, with the exception of that one. And so I'm gonna, after do the cleaning, I'm gonna tape it off and paint, and this is gonna be a real quick job. Okay, so I got everything taped off. This is the part that's actually taking more time than anything. The most difficult part was getting this edges correct. So that was very tedious. I'm not sure if I got it really perfected, but I think it'll be fine. We'll see. Wow, I think it looks really good. Before it was black and scratched and ugly. Wow, wow, that turned out better than I expected. Okay, so here is the final outcome. Let's get a real close look. I'm gonna admit this is not perfect job, okay? But it's not bad. I think it turned out pretty good. Besides, you're gonna get switch that's gonna stick out, okay? So some of this area will be hidden, but I am very, very happy. I can't wait to see how this looks in the car, so let's go install it. All right, this one, we gotta connect this. This tab where you push down should be on this side.
Okay, that's in. This one also has 4 clips. So we're gonna line those up. Okay, that's in there. Make sure to get this top edge tucked underneath. It's in there. And now it looks like this. Wow, I can't believe it. This looks so much better. Okay, so it's gonna go back this way with the closed round hole towards the top. Okay, and then this thing here, you got to get that underneath here. Okay, so it's gonna look like that. Okay, again here, get that underneath the top. Okay, so this one has 4 clips, so just line up clips, snaps in, then stick the top in, and this one looks like this. Just want to make sure all the windows work. They work just fine. Door locks work fine.